My friend Rommel plans to show me how to make the bar's signature cocktail called the Tuscan Lemon Drop. Oh, I've got to make it?
Mama Zita, what I'm going to show you today is our very own signature cocktail, and we call it Tuscan Lemon Drop.
Tuscan Lemon Drop. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's your signature drink. Okay, good. So where we start?
Okay, first we're gonna need our base, which is Absolut Citron, a Limoncello, and our very own delish lemon and lime sour cocktail.
Okay.
You're gonna pour your signature cocktail in this glass.
Yeah, and
Full
what is
sugar,
this? Sugar, okay.
Full sugar rim.
Sounds like a very sweet
Super
drink.
fine. Yeah. We start with the
Lemon?
lemon slice, 1/8 of lemon wedge.
Do I squeeze it in there?
Squeeze and drop.
Is it rosemary?
Yeah.
This smells delicious. It's like the first drink I'm gonna make.
We're going to use this measuring jigger, 1.5 ounce sugar lime.
1.5 ounce. See, you're a good teacher, Rommel.
For short drinks like Tuscan Lemon Drop, which is a martini type drink, we're gonna shake it like 6 seconds only vigorously.
Vigorously.
Yeah, with smile.
Okay. 6 seconds.
Time duration.
Okay.
And then
You'll do it for me first time? Yeah. Very cool.
6
Exercise
seconds.
of the day. Yep.
Tuscan Lemon Drop.
That looks really good. So do you strain it so the rosemary? Oh, you still get a little rosemary in there.
We actually garnish it with a rosemary
Oh,
sprig.
you do also. Oh, it's beautiful. Ready?
That's it.
Wow, that is good. Wow, it's not too sweet. It's that citrus is delicious. Lemon, that is really refreshing. I think that's a little bit too easy to drink, actually.
Do you think you can finish 3 of those?
Yeah, I think I could.